Honestly, this is the biggest promotional event that can happen for us, for any of our movies. You'll soon see why, but 27 years back, we started our journey, and Rashi Productions was giving me my break, and we were going through a low phase. Everything was being put into this film. And my father told me, write a love story. I wrote in English. He told me, translate. I translated in Hindi. We got a script. And everyone felt we should be a new boy, new girl. So that's when one new boy was called. And lot more has to come. But when he first came, I remember outside at the reception, he's sitting. And that time, heroes were big, broad, tall. And he looked very small, very small. And I was thinking, oh, here he is. And Salim Saab's son and big. And then he came, he sat in front of me. But his photographs he showed me. I think Monishi shot the photos. And he showed me the photographs. And the photographs said something different. Even then, I wish I had those photographs to show today. That photograph, those eyes, that jawline. And you see the photograph, you see him, and it was just world apart. Those photographs were magic.
Thank you, Suraj.
And then we decided we'll hold a test. We'll do a screen test for him. And what we have here is a few glimpses of his first screen test of Prem, which we would all like to share because that is our golden moment. And for me, these things are very dear. For 27 years, I did not allow anyone to touch it. And we brought those glimpses in its original form. I have not allowed them to online it. Nothing, just basic restoration. It's his voice. It's our voice. It's our journey. So, Salam, if you want to say something.
He's still paranoid about showing it.
Today morning, just now I asked him here on stage, do we really need to show it?
So I said, no, we need to expose me. कि अगर ये बन सकता है तो हिंदुस्तान का हर बच्चा प्रेम बन सकता है.
And this was shot, his first test was shot 1 week before his birthday on December 87. I think 21st, we'll come to know when. So Salil, if you want to show.
So as Sir mentioned, we're going back to the audition. Very first audition of Maine Pyar Kiya. Let's.
I haven't seen this. He's kept this away from me as well.
और फिर ये रोज बनाई दोस्ती के लिए एक्शन बोलिए पापा किस बात का एतराज है आपको क्या गलती की हमने क्या कसूर है मेरा जो आप मेरी दुनिया को बसने से पहले उजाड़ देना चाहते हैं
And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the first look then of the superstar. And Salman sir, Suraj ji told me that this was not considered
rejected.
Acceptable.
This was rejected because that dialogue. Kyun? Because that dialogue, first that dialogue was also a little poetic. I wrote about.
No, and he has told me to say it like that.
Yeah, but not like kyun. So he went on, and there was no voice, there was no throw. So this was more or less, okay, he looked nice, but more or less. But there was another reason why it was rejected. And that was because my first film, and it was supposed to be New Boy, New Girl, and he was already doing one film, Biwi Ho To Aise, and that too a side role. So to bring him into this film, especially after this dialogue, and to make him a hero, and to launch a new pair was a big, big question mark. So for 4-5 months, हम इन्हें टालते रहे.
Sir, one sec. I want to stop you there. Salman sir, what were you feeling after you'd given this audition? Were you feeling confident?
I thought sure shot done. अब राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के अंदर क्या चल रहा है? I didn't know. And then when that 4 months happened, then I realized कि यहाँ पर तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. So I went to this, started meeting people again. So there was this one film that was being made by Mr. Suresh Bhagat, who was this same BB Hota Aisi. He was a producer of Mr. K.C. Bukadia's film. So Mr. K.C. Bukadia's production manager, Mr. J.K. Bihari, was making this film. It was a Pakistani remake with Rekha Ji, Farooq Sheikh, Kader Khan, Bindu Ji. It was like a very big cast at that point in time. So I remember walking into some place in Khar. There was a garage. And Bihari Sahab just told me a few days ago, months ago, कि यार कोई करने को तैयार ही नहीं था. तो ऐसे अगला जो भी इस यहाँ से आएगा ना इस रोल के लिए, कोई भी हो, मैं उस इडियट को ले लूँगा. This about 4-5 months ago he told me. जैसे आपकी कास्टिंग अगर आप ऐसे सोच रहे हो कि आपकी कास्टिंग के हमको आपकी पर्सनालिटी पसंद आई हो या कुछ टैलेंट देखा हो, बिल्कुल नहीं. हर एक ने इस रोल को रिफ्यूज़ किया. आप आए, हमने आपसे पूछा, हम परेशान हो गए थे, कोई कर ही नहीं रहा था ये रोल. आपने किया, हमने आपको साइन कर लिया.
And that was the story, and so history was allowed to be made also after that. Then.
And he was doing this film, and we didn't like this test, especially that "क्यों" dialogue. So,
Achha, how many retakes did you? You must have tried to say name "क्यों."
10-12 होते रहे.
10-12 हज़ार.
क्यों? So then 5-6 months हम लोग रोकते रहे. But the most surprising thing was he kept sending boys after boys. इसको ले लो. कोई अपने ही सर पे कुल्हाड़ी तो मारते, पर ये मार रहे हैं. इसको मेरे से better. And this went on. Finally, I went to Satish Bala, where he was shooting for BB Hota Aisi. कि my production Zaki साहब was there. I said कि जाके बोलें तो सही इन्हें कि नहीं cancel. कोई बोले तो सही. तो गए अंदर. And he was shooting with Rekha ji. तो आते ही गले मिल रहे हैं. मैंने बोला कैंसिल होके इनको ले लो. तो कैंसिल होने के बाद भी कोई बोले इनको ले लो, हम बाहर आए. And we said अगर हीरो बनेगा तो यही बनेगा. So what got him the film, Salman bhai, what got us Maine Pyar Kiya together is not the actor, it is the man. It is the man in the word Salman. Thank you, Kiran ji, for this thought. And even now, it is the man who wins. It is not the actor. And now we can show the second test हुआ हमारा जिसमें हमने बाल कटाए. कहाँ पे Salman bhai?
So we went to this one beauty salon called what's it called?
बंद भी हो गई होगी.
Beauty Star.
बैंड्रा में ही था.
हाँ. वो zigzag road के नीचे. तो वहाँ पर एक हमारे बाल काटा करता था, उसका नाम सिकंदर है. अभी उसकी नौकरी लग गई है आलिम के यहाँ पर. वो ब्यूटी स्टार बंद हो गया है. So we went there. उसने I think 15 रुपए लिए बाल काटने के लिए. वैसे 5 रुपए लेता था. उस वक्त देखा कि ये हीरो बनने वाला है तो पहले निपटा उसे.
And मैं ऐसे खड़ा था, कहीं ज़्यादा कट जाए, कम कट जाए, क्या भरोसा, कट गए तो फिर आएंगे नहीं.
I'm surprised he didn't open a series of नाई की दुकान after that. सलमान भाई का हेयर कट मैंने करवाया था, अभी देखो तो बड़े स्टार.
उसके बाद बहुत माइलेज खाया, बहुत फुटेज खाया. अब जब भी मैं जाता था उसके पास तो ये संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल कर. अरे मैं सलमान खान में संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल क्यों करूंगा यार. इसे नहीं बाबा, तुम संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल. So for the first 3-4 years, it was only Sanjay Dutt hairstyle that I was supporting. Yeah, Sanjay Dutt बाल लंबा तो आप बाल लंबा करो संजय दत्त की तरह. संजय दत्त स्पाइक कर लिया तो आप काट लो संजय दत्त की तरह. Eventually, I had to stop going to him. Then I started going to Roxanne.
And then we had the second test, and this is the clip of the second test which actually made us aware that this is a superstar. This is a little glimpse, it's just a little bit, but this we were aware कि this is the star. So this is what actually got him the role.
दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना. दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना. ये पगला है समझे ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। धक धक बोले इत उत डोले दिन रहना।
And with that, a star was born. But sir, when you finished this, then were you
Can you
confident?
imagine that guy walking behind the cycle wala? Is he aware that he was there? वो जो पीछे जो रास्ते में जा रहे हैं वर्ली में, उनको ढूंढो पहले.
So Suraj ji and Salman sir, after this, did you tell him?
Yeah.
Or was it again a waiting period?
No, no, this was done. We knew that this is the hero. But there is one girl.
No, after that happened, na, they've confirmed me. So now, Bibi Hota Aisi was was complete. So they asked me to see the film, Bibi Hota Aisi. I went and saw the film. I said, the film is good, but I suck. It's like, I'm like terrible in it. I mean, me and Arbaz saw it, and Arbaz was like, I was like, ye kya ho gaya? They dubbed my voice as somebody else, jo bhi hua. So I came out of the theater. From Dimple only I called you up. I said, I just saw Bibi Hota Aisi. And he said, huh? So I said, I'm terrible in the film. So he said, then what's the problem? It will not do well. Nobody said, no, the problem is the film is a good film. It will do well. And the more people see it, the more they will say, कि इसको, काय को ले लिए, तो बहुत गंदा है. No one is going to come and see मैंने प्यार किया. I said, I am going out now. I'll come join you as an assistant. So he said, no, but how bad can it be? So I said, come, I'll show you. So then I asked J.K. Bihari साहब, ऐसे वो उन्होंने sign किया. It's not fair. मैं तो आपको पता है मेरी capability क्या है इस film में कि मैंने कितना खराब काम किया. तो it's not fair that they will have to suffer me. So then he allowed me to keep a trial. They kept a trial in Dimple only. Suraj Babu came in, saw the film, and he comes out of the theater and he says, Salman, why are your eyes looking so big? So I said, eyes को तो मैं छोटे कर लूँगा दादा, ये picture आ गई अंदर. So throughout मैंने प्यार किया like that. दिख भी नहीं रहा था. It's no, open your eyes, open your eyes.